Problem 3. A furniture store is having a 20% off sale. Trinity has a coupon for $15 off. The function f of x equal to 0.8x minus 15 represents the final cost after the discount and the coupon are applied for an item priced at x dollars. Complete the function machine for items A, B, C, and D. So if you look at the picture down below, you will see column A is the input for A, B, C, and D. And on the right side is another column is for the output. And the function is right in the middle. So to solve for this problem, you need to know the following. Input is the x value. Output is the y value. Okay. The first one, input A. So what we're going to do is plug in $100, which is x, to the function. That will give me 0.8 times 100 minus 15. Okay, so as usual, go ahead, use the calculator. So I have 0.8, parenthesis, 100, close parenthesis, minus 15. So your answer is going to be $65. 65, and this $65 will go to the output A. $65. Okay, since we're working on the input right now, so I will go ahead go to input C. We're gonna go back to B later. So C, it's 250, also is the x value. We're gonna plug it in. That will be 0.8 times 250 minus 15. So all we do is go back to the calculator and change the number inside parenthesis, which is 100, to 250 and hit equal. That will give you $185. That is input C. $185. Now we're looking at the second column when we have the output B is $45. So again, output is the y value. F of x equal to 0.8x minus 15 can be understood as y equal to 0.8x minus 15. So what we're going to do is plug in $45 to the y place. That will give you 45 equal to 0.8x minus 15. Alright, and we learned about solving an equation with one variable in last semester. First of all, you're going to do is look at the sign between variable and the number is subtraction. So we're going to do it add 15 on both sides. Adding 15 on both sides. So that will give us 60 equal to 0.8x. And your next step is dividing 0.8 on both sides. 60 divided by 0.8. This will give me 75. So x equal to 75. That will go to the input B. $75. Alright, now we go down to the next problem. I need space, so I'm going to erase the part that I just wrote down. So pause the video and copy down the notes if you need more time on this. I'm going to erase this and this one. Alright, now we're heading to the second part, or the last problem of problem 3. So output is $305. $305 we plug into the y. 305 equal to 0.8x minus 15. The step is also the same. We're going to do is add 15 on both sides. That will give you 308 plus 15, which is 320, equal to 0.8x. Then we divide by 0.8 on both sides. 320 divided by 0.8 is 400. So x equal to 400 as the answer for input D. Okay. Again, if you need to pause this to watch this again or to copy down the note, go for it. And if you need more practice, we do have this problem at the Bellwork since this week, if you're watching it on Friday, or on the Quizette number 3.
Jumped the gun as usual.
Heads up, boys and girls. This is no time to be celebrating. I'll be your next proctor.
Is this a part of the test? The answer is yes. This is problem 4. So problem 4, the school store sells a book covers for $4 each and a notebook for $1 each. Antonio has $13 to spend. The function is y equal to 13 minus 4x. Represent the number of books cover x and the number of notebook y he can buy. Select whether each statement is true or false. So first of all, they give you the equation already. Y equals to 13 minus 4x. Okay, so it's obviously 13 is the amount of money that he has. That's $13. Take away $4 for each book cover. So I'm gonna put a quick note for myself. This is my book cover, and this one is y gonna be my notebooks. So when you read the true or false statements, you can quickly identify which is which. Okay, so the first sentence, he can buy 1 notebook and 3 book cover. So keep in mind, notebook is y, so y is 1 and book cover is x, would be 3. So all we need to do is plug them into the function and see is that true or false statement. Y is 1 equal to 13 minus 4. X is 3. Okay, just in case you don't see it yet, y is 1, x is 3, y is 1, x is 3. So all we need to do is solve for it. Or I try to say is simplifying the equation here. So 13 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 would be 1. So 1 equal to 1. This is a true statement. So since it's true, the answer is true. That's it. Now we go to the second sentence. He can buy 0 book cover and 13 notebooks. So they switch the type of the book around. So make sure you be aware of this. Book cover, as we label, is x. X is 0, and notebook is y. Y is 13. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna plug it in. Y equal to 13 minus 4x. Y is 13 equal to 13 minus 4 times x is 0. Okay, I will highlight this again to make sure that you see how I plug it in. X is 0 and y is 13. Okay, so 13 equal to 13 minus 4 times 0 is 0. So 13 minus 0 is 13. This is another true statement. So which means this is true. Now same thing for the last statement down here. He can buy 2 notebook and 5 book covers. So notebook, I look back, notebook is my y. Y equal to 2. And book cover is my x. X equal to 5. So y equal to 13 minus 4x. Y is 2. Y is 2. X is 5. So you're going to be 2 equal to 13 minus 4 times 5. 2 equal to 13 minus 4 times 5 is about 20. Yes. And 2 equal to 13 minus 20 is negative 7. So 2 is not equal to negative 7. It's a false statement. So the answer is false. And that's it for number 4.